Hey there, future retiree. Welcome to Whimsical Roaming. Thinking about where to spend your golden years? Well, let me tell you about the gem that is Portugal. Picture this, waking up every morning to the gentle warmth of the sun, the soothing melody of ocean waves, and a feast of fresh seafood waiting for you. Sounds like paradise, right? That's exactly what retirement in Portugal offers. This European paradise is not just a dream, it's a reality waiting for you. Portugal boasts stunning coastlines, vibrant cultures, and breathtaking architecture, all wrapped up in an affordable package. No wonder Portugal was crowned the #1 spot in the annual Global Retirement Index 2023. Plus, recent improvements to Portugal's retirement tax laws make it even more enticing for expats like yourself. Now, let's talk logistics. Living in Portugal means enjoying a high-quality life without breaking the bank. Whether you prefer quaint towns or bustling cities like Porto or Lisbon, you can live comfortably on a budget of $1,500 to $3,000 a month. But who can retire in Portugal? Well, it's pretty straightforward for EU citizens. Just apply for residency through the official immigration office and you're good to go. Non-EU citizens have options too, like the Portugal Golden Visa Programme, which offers residency in exchange for investments in the country. US citizens can establish residency easily, starting with a 120-day stay visa. If you like what you see, which you probably will, you can apply for a 1-year residence permit, which can be renewed for up to 5 years. Now let's talk healthcare. Portugal's National Health Service provides quality care to all residents, and many doctors speak English. Plus, the cost of living is affordable, with healthcare being generally free or low cost. By the way, if you're enjoying this video or finding it useful, then please like and subscribe to my channel to keep more videos coming your way. And now back to retiring in Portugal. As for housing, Portugal has no inheritance tax on real estate, and property prices are reasonable compared to other European countries. Just make sure to have a solid will in place to avoid any legal headaches down the road. Now let's talk lifestyle. Portugal has a relaxed pace of life, with plenty of holidays and a friendly, outgoing culture. Crime rates are low, making it one of the safest countries to live in. And let's not forget about the food. Portuguese cuisine is known for its fresh seafood and delicious desserts, like pastéis de nata. Plus, Portugal is a wine lover's paradise with high-quality wine at affordable prices. For more information, check out getgoldenvisa.com/retiring in Portugal. So what are you waiting for? Whether you're drawn to the sunny beaches of the Algarve or the bustling streets of Lisbon, retirement in Portugal offers endless opportunities for adventure and relaxation. Come and join us in this slice of paradise.